a certain path I take.
Okay.
This is safe. This is safe. This is unsafe.
I don't have any disagreement with that.
The reason I don't ride on the shoulder, and mainly down that way, is because there's glass, there's sand, and it,
I have no doubt.
15, 20 mile an hour, you slip and fall on this, you're totaling it.
I have no doubt. I rode my bike 11 miles yesterday. I didn't ride it today because I was lazy. I do the same thing, except I don't ride in the dark. But you have to have a headlight. You got the reflector. We're just trying to explain everything to you.
See, it's funky. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't.
And he took the paper back. We tried to explain to him through state law, to ride this, you have to have a valid driver.
Not 50cc, you know.
You do. 50cc don't matter.
Yes, it does. Then how are these other guys getting away with it?
Because they have a driver's license.
No, they don't.
I ride this thing back and forth to work every day.
Okay.
We're not going to argue anymore. That's what we're doing.
Let's go, Alex.
Okay.
I ride that thing back and forth to work every day.
Yes, sir.